So I want to show you this really cool little digital camera that actually records on mini compact disc. Made by Canon. It's the DC410. It's in very good condition all around. You can see that I did purchase this with my own money, and I just want to show you a nice tour all around this camera. The viewfinder does open up, as you can see here. It is super easy to use. You can see in the viewfinder here, or the pop-out screen. Here is the battery. Goes in here, very easy to load. Super easy, just like that there. And to turn the camera on, all you do is put on the on mode. It'll make some noise, it'll set up, and then you're good to go. And once you put your a disc in, a DVD record disc, you can actually record onto DVD. And that's simple as that. Really easy point and shoot camera. Works great, tested, and really super clean. Push a button in to shut it down. Powers off just like that. And all around a nice, you can see it's actually really small. It's all branded Canon all around. And it does have a little lens, safety lens latch right there to protect the lens. And that's what I have for you. Hope you enjoyed that quick tour of all around this nice little Canon DC410. Hope you enjoyed that quick review. Thanks for watching.